They opened it. It was a box of dildos.
Like, did agents ever show up at your house in person?
Yes.
Really?
I had 2 agents show up to my house. They had like the little FBI thing and everything because I had packages sent to my house and I didn't open them. So they're like, don't open them. Like, we'll come and take them and like, we'll open them for you. And I'm like, okay, like, let me know what's in it because I'm curious. They opened it in my driveway. So like, if it was a bomb, I would have been gone anyways. Because that's what I was scared it was. I was like, what if someone sent me like fucking fentanyl in a box and like I'm gonna die from overdose? They opened it. It was a box of dildos. It was a box of dildos.
It was someone trolling?
Yeah.
Like, it was like someone found your address and just sent you a box of dildos?
Dude, and they were like nice dildos too, brand new from the manufacturing place. Like, they were nice. They did not like, they weren't cheap.